No major 2026 Winnebago Motorhome reviews were available in May 2025. Recent 2025 model information shows 2026 features and advances may be carried over or updated. Spirit 26T Winnebago 2025. Family-friendly Class C Motorhome. Winnebago Spirit 26T, Class C gas motorhome with Ford E450 chassis with 350 horsepower 7.3-liter V8. Two slide-outs expand the living area in this 28-foot 5-inch model. 6 people sleep in the queen bed, cab over bunk, U-shaped dinette, and sofa bed. Corian countertops, 3-burner cooktop, 8.0 cubic foot double-door refrigerator / freezer, and flip-up counter extension. Bathroom has 24 by 32 shower, lavatory, medicine cabinet, and foot pedal toilet. An amplified digital antenna, DVD player, and USB ports exist on the 32-inch HD TV. Air conditioning, 15,000 BTU, and heating, 30,000 BTU. Safety features include tire pressure monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and front collision warning. At $166,340, the Spirit 26T pampers families on the go. 2025 Winnebago View 24T modern features. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter-based Winnebago View 24T Class C motorhome is sleek and modern. Key features: Winnebago Connect, smartphone Choria, touchscreen HVAC, lighting and tank levels. 4 people sleep in Queen Murphy beds and cab over beds. Kitchen, 2-burner induction, LP stove, large fridge, microwave, convection oven. Entertainment, 32-inch LED HD TV, JBL Bluetooth soundbar, digital antenna. 15,000 BTU AC, heat pump, 20,000 BTU furnace. Lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot warnings, and a digital rearview mirror are safety features. Consider the View 24T, a comfortable and technologically advanced 2025 RV for couples or small families. Class A VW Vista 26HE goes swiftly. Class C maneuverability and Class A space-define the Winnebago Vista 26HE RV. Key features: Ford F-53 with 362 horsepower, Triton 6.8-liter V10. The 38 by 73 dinette slide-out, queen-sized back bedroom, split bathroom and kitchen with double sink, 3-burner stove, and overhead storage are included. Entertainment, 32-inch HD TV with studio, motorized drop-down bed and loft, 14,800 BTU AC, and 30,000 BTU furnace. Large and comfortable, the Vista 26HE Class A motorhome costs $87,217 base MSRP. Looking ahead to 2026, Winnebago RV 2026 details are scant, but they may build on 2025. Smart technology, energy efficiency, and comfort are expected. Official Winnebago releases and authorized dealers provide the most reliable 2026 model information.